Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
We still have food. For those who will be remaining here, we still have food. We still have sodas and drinks inside. We still have breads here. Just help yourself out. Thank you so much. Signing out. See you again.
Please support my channel, like, share, and subscribe. At pakipindot na rin yung notification bell para updated kayo lagi pag meron akong mga bagong videos. Thank you!
Isang magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ito, second day of
Away na po kami.
outing namin, oh. Filipino team.
So lalabo.
There's one. Mix.
Mixed cheese.
Remembrance. We will see you. Makikita niyo ito forever. Pag di ba delete?
Like and subscribe. Ronnie Montilla Vlog. Tama ba?
Thank you.
Yeah.
You got it. At ito,
Diba, ang galing ko na po.
nagluluto sila ng
Kung pangalan.
pang-agahan namin. Tinula. Tinula ang pang-umagahan namin. So, ito kahit pa paano, nawala yung stress sa trabaho, di ba?
Tama.
Wala rin pumunta sa
Sa akin parang may backera. Yung tatlo madali naman kausap.
Kasi Juan, lagi namang
Ayan.
kahit anong i-ano mo doon.
So, again, March 4, 2024. 25, sorry. At 10:35 in the morning.
Ayusin mo.
Ayan. Remembrance lang to. Ito naman eh.
Pwede po yan.
Ah.
Hello po.
Okay. Wala nang edit-edit to. Remembrance lang to. Tsaka lang tayo
Okay na kuya, upload mo yun pag na-monetize. Again.
diba? Salamat. See you again. Maya-maya ulit. Rice cooker.
Okay. Tulip. Nanchon. Because we were sa table to cook it. Number 1 to 11.
5.
Thank you, sir. She said this one is good, no, for breakfast. See? Just in time for you. Next. Mountain Dew.
Perfect for your chaser.
Perfect, sir. You would be more happy if it's Pepsi.
No mix.
What's the leftover? Masala. Hopefully, the one who really drink will get this.
8.
The bread for coffee.
Let them listen.
3.
Very happy, Libya. Congratulations. Next. Again, this one was there. You know, call 3 more. Oh. No, not eating this one. You can swap later now. I think you can swap that one to masala. One more.
Who's number 1?
Sunday. One more.
6.
Sangga is eating this. He eat anything.
For your fried rice. For your
Yeah.
fried rice.
One more the bread and the last 2. What number else is that being called? So, model will know.
7.
Ay.
Ay, wow.
Eh.
Perfect for your
Thank
coffee.
you.
Okay, we have 2 finals. This one. Oh, this is a half sack of rice with
Egg.
4 pieces of egg. And a scooper. Okay. So, this one first. Who hasn't done yet?
9.
Ay, oh.
9.
9.
Ay, no.
So, who hasn't got cold?
Me?
Okay, so Ate I is the winner.
Oh my God.
Number?
Ay, 11 pala.
Yeah, I'll go. 11.
Ay, wait.
Yes,
Why I want this one? It's 11, right?
Leftover.
Huh?
Leftover.
I want that. Yeah, with the egg. That's it. Thank you,
That's
guys.
it.
Closing speech mo there, please.
No,
Thank you.
it's really fun. I think we should do more of all this thing. I think Nigam was talking yesterday about getting partners, so fix it off and let's see how we can support them. Thank you all. Who's working today? Nobody?
Nobody, I think.
Except
All day off.
Yeah,
Okay.
except you.
Take some rest.
He's talking about his sales 3 a.m. in the morning.
He's non-stop.
Yeah.
He's non-stop about sales yesterday.
Okay, so that's it, guys.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you all. Thank you so much.
We
Thank
still
you.
have food for those who will be remaining. We still have food. We still have sodas and drinks inside. We still have breads here. Just help yourself out. Thank you so much. Signing out. See you again before the month ends.
We're going to do one more.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Everyone.
One more picture. Yeah.
Meron din ano dito, manok at saka kalapate. Yan o, may alaga rin silang ano dito, manok. Kala mo native sa atin sa Pilipinas. Sa kabila meron din kalapate. So ito, naghihintay na lang kami ng 2 o'clock at maya uwi na rin kami. So sa remembrance, ng konting video dito kasi remembrance for along pagdating ng araw. So maraming salamat. Ako pala si Ronnie, isang OFW dito sa bansang Koy. Please support my channel, like, share, and subscribe. Kita-kits sa mga susunod kong videos. Watching, please support my channel, like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat, hanggang sa muli.